Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by inspecting the titanium edge. Titanium resists deformation but can have micro burrs. Once you see damage, set a 15 degrees to 20 degrees angle and stabilize the blade in a clamp or your non-dominant hand. Use a 400 grit to reprofile if edge is rounded, because coarse removal shapes the bevel quickly. Make sure to keep light, consistent pressure. Too hard wears coating unevenly. Lubricate the stone. Water or light oil prevents heat and removes swarf. Once the initial bevel is set, continue with medium grit to refine the geometry. This removes the coarse scratches left by 400 grit and narrows the edge. You should make controlled strokes, 10 to 15 passes per side, and then check with a light feel or paper slice. Move to a fine stone for polishing. This reduces burrs and raises a keener edge. Make sure to hold the same angle every stroke. Alternating sides prevents a hooked or lopsided profile. You finish by stropping the edge on leather with a polishing compound. This aligns micro serrations and removes the final burr. Once done, test on paper and then a tomato to confirm clean slicing without tearing. If the blade chips or still feels dull, go back to the appropriate coarse or medium grit and reshape carefully. If the edge seems uneven, make a few light, consistent refining passes and strop again. This single troubleshooting step resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.